Hi all, myself Sameet Chavan, Chief Analyst for Technical and Derivatives at Angel Broking. For the third consecutive session, our markets opened with an upside gap owing to positive cues from the global bosses. Today it was certainly a notable opening because we started the proceeding convincingly beyond the 10,000 mark. In fact, the buying momentum continued as the day progressed to eventually hasten towards 10,200. However, market suddenly took a nosedive toward the fag end of the day, and within a blink of an eye, we were considerably off day's high. In the midst of this, Nifty managed to close, inside the positive territory. Last couple of weeks have been excellent for our markets, and in the process, we finally reclaimed the five-digit mark of 10,000. Today's extended move was clearly propelled by the banking space, and at one point of time, we could see crazy up move in Bank Nifty as if there is no tomorrow. But somewhere market has to oblige the law of gravity, and this is what we saw in last 45 minutes of trade. The Bank Nifty literally nosedived and within no time shaved off sizable portion of gains. Practically, such in-between reality checks are important for markets as it eliminates complacent traders from the market. Now, technically speaking, we have seen a series of upward gaps, and hence today's can be termed as a continuation gap. We hope the same remains unfilled in coming days because an immediate gap filling process will lead to exhaustion gap, and the same generally applies brakes on the ongoing momentum. We need to see how market behaves, especially Bank Nifty, because the daily formation is not so encouraging. For Nifty, 10,000 followed by 1900 would now be seen as crucial support, whereas on the flip side, it would be important to surpass 10,200 in order to continue this up move towards 10,400, 10,600 levels. But one has to understand that any upside rally from here on will not be as smooth as we have been witnessing since last few days. So at this juncture, one has to concentrate on individual stocks, individual themes that are likely to provide better trading opportunities. Within the pharma space, that has been the flavor of since last a couple of months. So we like Lupin, Cadila, and Cipla from this space. Apart from this, gas counters have been buzzing since last few days. So MGL is the one stock, it is poised for a good move. One can look for better trading opportunities in MGL as well. Any dip would be a good buying opportunity. Apart from this, one of the index heavyweights, L&T, it has already given a stellar move. Any decline from current levels would be seen as a good buying opportunity. Thank you.